All right, guys, so here we have our first question from a trader. This trader says, I have a good running trade on Bitcoin. I'm at 140% profit. Do I sell now or hold out for more profit?
This is very difficult to answer because I suggest that every trader should define or take profit before entering the trade. In this way, you will not regret of leaving the money on the table.
Okay, I would recommend him to take partial profits when the trade is going his direction and definitely adjust the stop loss. That's the best thing that he can do.
Depends on what was your target when you entered the trade. If your target was like 100%, then close the trade, and if not, you can continue in the trade.
Okay, so let's move on to the second one. The second question from a trader. I failed my first challenge with HyroTrader. Should I continue?
Definitely, I would recommend this type of traders because most of the traders don't pass on the first attempt. So I would just recommend them to maybe take a step back, reflect on their strategy, their risk management, and maybe just go through our rules again so they are coming back stronger than before.
Yeah, of course, I would not give up at this moment because all of us once or a few times failed the challenges, but the most important thing is to learn from the mistakes and improve, adjust, and then make it better.
Oh, definitely you should continue because most of the traders fail first challenge. So you need to learn from your mistake. I don't know what you did. Improve your trading strategy and try again.
I panic during the market dips. What strategies can help me stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading?
Always use stop loss, and if you panic, do meditations or breathe meditations and try to focus on your mind to do not panic because it's not going for life.
Okay, this one is hard one because at this point when you are more stressed when you're watching your trade, it is best just to walk away from the monitor. Maybe just take a walk. If you need to adjust stop loss or something like that, I would recommend set up alerts in those cases and just don't sit there for 8 hours. That's not really good for your mental health
absolutely.
Or for your family members.
Now it's very important to define yourself if you are investor or the trader. If you're investor, you're buying the dips and holding for the long term. If you're a trader, you're waiting for the reversal on these dips and you trade from there. But I would say that as a trader, you should have always defined your stop loss and take profit. And there is no way how to let the emotions to affect you.
And the last question we have here. I'm a part-time trader. When should I start trading full-time?
I would definitely recommend not to do it until you have money for at least next 6 months, which will pay your bills. Right? So if you don't have some budget to cover the months when you're not making profits, then stay as a part-time trader until you can.
That's it. Have some security behind you first.
I feel like this one is the hard one because it's really individual. So I would definitely recommend to have at least like 12 months saving in capital so you don't feel too pressure when trading. That's the best thing probably. You just don't have extra pressure when you need to like...
A bit of peace of mind, I guess, as well.
Yeah.
I'm a part-time trader. When should I start trading full-time?
Okay, so when considering full-time trading, you need to look at more things. First thing is like you need to have working and backtested trading strategy. Second is you need to have at least 6 months or better 12 months of consistent trading result. And third is like you need to have trading capital. Probably 50 or 100k, depends on what your lifestyle is. So every trader has own expenses and you need to make money to pay your expenses and then earn something more to living. Yeah, so I think like these 3 things are important to considering start trading full time.
And traders, if you want any more answers or you have any questions that you need answering from experienced traders like these guys, be sure to drop a question in the Discord community or comment on the video below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.